Hello, WED 151 students. My name is Meg Rademacher, and I will be your instructor for this 8-week course this fall semester. So the point of this video really is to get you acquainted with how the course is set up in Canvas and make sure that you understand how to access the textbook that we'll be using for this course. The textbook that we're using for this course is through the library, so it is free, and you will have access to it through the library. Online through the library, and then we'll also be using some other tools that are online through the library resources. So everything for this course is provided as far as textbook for you. So no need to purchase anything. So save that money a little bit. So let's get started with kind of how the course is laid out, and we'll go from there. First thing really important is to make sure that you're comfortable with this inbox over here. This is where you'll be sending me messages. That's one of your first tasks that is required. You have a getting started assignment, an introduction, orientation quiz, and to send the instructor a message. All of those are due by the 10th of September. And the goal of that really is just to make sure you're comfortable in the online format of the class. You will also work into Module 1 this first week. The Getting started and introduction module will need to be completed before you have access to module number 1. So in inbox over here, you'll click on that and send me a message. If you are not comfortable with Canvas or haven't taken an online class before where you've used Canvas as a platform, you'll click on this help guide. There's Canvas guides in there and real easy ways to kind of get through those basics of Canvas. So if you're having questions. You'll always see the announcements posted up here. I will post announcements very regularly, several times throughout the week, if not probably 4 to 5 times throughout the week. Since this is only an 8-week course, it is condensed, which means we're pretty intense, pretty active for those 8 weeks. Okay. So you'll see the announcements posted up here, and you can also access them by the announcements link over here. Most important thing next is going to be clicking on that module section. So all of the modules will open. We will run a typical class format. The module will open first thing Monday morning, and it will stay open through 11:59 Sunday night. So you may have some due dates in here that aren't Sundays. They may be a Wednesday, a Friday due date. So make sure you're staying up to date with all of that. Okay. So here is the syllabus information. The syllabus is a PDF link right here for you. You can also access the syllabus by clicking over here, and you will see, be able to download the syllabus here in the PDF, and then you will also see those kind of our course layout, what is due when. Okay. So going back to the modules, my instructor information is posted here. Our library textbook, this is super important. So you'll click on this library textbook, and this is the textbook we're using, Complementary Alternative and Integrative Health. You can click here to access the textbook, and it will take you directly to the link of the library. If for some reason it doesn't take you directly to the book, it's because you're probably not logged in through GCC's website, through the library website. So it'll take you to a little screen where you'll have to enter your MEID and your password, which are the same MEID and password that you used for Canvas. And then it'll take you to the book. If you're having any issues with that, please let me know. But there's the textbook. You can read it online. You can download the book for you can use it for 21 days. Downloaded just right onto your computer. You also have the option to download specific chapters if you want to be able to read online. Read offline. You can download the chapter. So a bunch of options for you. You will scroll down until you see whatever chapter we are covering for that week. Okay, and you'll click on that. I think the first week we are using chapter 1. And so it's actually super nice layout. It's really easy to read. And you can, again, download it in the PDF form. And you also have the option to print if you choose to do that. Okay. So that's the textbook, and you'll get that through that library link. Okay. So let's go back to the module. So again, instructor information, library textbook link, and then the syllabus in PDF if you want to look view that through the PDF there. Getting started orientation, you're going to post an introduction. You're also going to do a quick getting started assignment. Orientation quiz, this is all about what's on the syllabus, so please make sure you read over your syllabus first, and then you're going to send me a message saying how super excited you are for this course, and we'll go from there. Once you complete all of the getting started modules, you will see module 1 will open. So I really encourage you each week to make sure that you're clicking on the overview, learning objectives, and content, because this has what your reading material is required for the week, as well as what we'll be working on. So for this first week, again in module 1, there's our learning objectives, but here's the required reading, and again, here's the link to the library textbook. And you're going to read chapters 1, which is pages 1 to 28. Sometimes I don't have you read the whole chapter, so make sure you pay attention to that. Each week you will have a quiz on your reading material. Okay, so as you can see, week 1, there is a chapter quiz. It is 20 points. And then you also have a reflection paper due in that first week. Okay. We do a lot of TED Talks, a lot of videos, a lot of open educational resources in this class. So first week, you're also going to watch a 18-minute YouTube video about modern medicine and is it killing you? So it's just thought-provoking. Kind of one of the goals of this class is to really make you think about what you do for your health. A big part of alternative medicine really is prevention. And I'll say that kind of over and over throughout this course. So it's really interesting to kind of get your take on what are you doing for your health? What is your doctor doing for your health? Do you have the right doctor for your personality, for kind of what you want and what your views are on health? So it's pretty interesting. I hope you enjoy the course. So those are the basics of the course. Really big thing is to make sure that you're comfortable with that syllabus. Big things about your syllabus: you cannot turn in late work. Since this is an online class, you do have to be active each week. So that means you need to make sure that you are turning in all of your assignments. Checking your grades or logging into Canvas does not count as being active. So please make sure you are turning in your assignments. I don't accept late work unless it is pre-approved. So obviously if you have something that's drastic come up, out of the ordinary, please just send me a message. Communication is key in this course. I'm a very easy to work with instructor as long as you are communicating with me. Okay. I will generally respond to all of your messages within 24 hours. If you don't hear from me in 24 hours, please resend your Canvas message and assume that somehow either I didn't get it, I thought I responded and didn't, or somehow it got lost in translation. So I will always respond in that 24 hours. If not, send it to me again. Okay. The dates of this course: we will end this course on October 29th, so right before Halloween. All work must be turned in before then. Those are pretty much the big things about the course: is the late work, keeping active in the course, make sure you're doing your own work, no cut and paste, don't copy off other students. Those are the really big things. So make sure you read through your entire syllabus, and then you can go ahead and take that quiz, that orientation quiz. Okay. I think those are the basics. I'm looking forward to working with you this semester. Again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, always feel free to reach out to me. Have a great day.